A quiet shift is happening in Pakistan, not announced loudly but visible in motion, steel, and scale. This moment is not about headlines, but about direction, where long-term thinking begins to replace survival mode. Roads stretch outward, cities expand with purpose, and planning replaces patchwork solutions. The story here is not speed, but intent, a country slowly aligning its future with stability. This is where momentum begins, subtle yet irreversible, setting the foundation for what comes next. Massive infrastructure projects are reshaping landscapes, linking regions that once felt distant and disconnected. Highways, ports, and logistics corridors quietly redraw economic maps without spectacle. These projects are not built for today's traffic alone, but for decades ahead. Each structure represents access, movement, and resilience rather than simple construction. Together, they form a backbone designed to carry growth, trade, and opportunity far beyond current limits. Energy and industry are becoming the engines of long-term confidence, moving beyond short-term fixes toward structured expansion. Pakistan is focusing on systems that power factories, cities, and daily life reliably. Industrial zones grow around stable energy flows, reducing uncertainty and encouraging investment. The emphasis is not on flash, but on continuity and capacity. This shift signals readiness for sustained output, where productivity becomes predictable instead of fragile. Urban systems are evolving to support larger populations without chaos. Transport networks, housing layouts, and service grids are being designed to absorb growth rather than react to it. Cities begin functioning as coordinated systems instead of scattered solutions. Mobility improves, access widens, and efficiency slowly replaces congestion. This transformation is less dramatic than skyscrapers, yet far more impactful for everyday life and long-term livability. As connections strengthen, Pakistan's position within regional and global frameworks becomes clearer. Trade routes, transit access, and geographic relevance converge into strategic value. The world watches not because of promises, but because of alignment between location, infrastructure, and intent. Stability creates visibility. What emerges is not a sudden rise, but a steady presence, one built to endure beyond cycles and headlines.